Hey y'all, we got sent over some plant stands. We're gonna get the box open, get them assembled, and then we're gonna let you know what we think about them. So stick around. All right, we have our 5-tiered plant stand with a grow light. Kind of some instructions here. One sheet, pretty simple. I'm gonna get it all out here and spread out, and then we'll start assembling it. Okay, you need to check your base plates on here. These came in with little dents in them right there. I'll show you right here. So they were wrapped in bubble wrap, so the packaging is fine. It's just being mishandled in shipping. So this packaging may need to be more bubble wrap used or something. A little disappointing. The parts are not numbered or lettered in any way. However, there's 2 of exactly the same of each one. 2 and 2. You can figure it out, but they're not lettered. Lighting here. We'll get to that in a moment. There's screws here. So apparently our long ones are going to come from the bottom. You'll notice that it's countersunk. We'll put those through there. And then these, one on each side. Now they do send an Allen wrench, so you'll be able to use an Allen wrench, but we have a cordless, so we're going to go with that. Now this is showing it to run this way, so you don't want to run it like this. Turn it sideways. Now we'll put the short one right here. I guess that was the short one. It is showing them the little flat part right here to be on the opposite side. So you don't want to put it like this. You want it like this. We'll do the same thing with this one. It does show you a little diagram though of your different sizes screws and the different parts, the posts themselves. And these are threaded. No thread in right here. Just like that. If you'll notice, these are the same height on each side. So the longer one right here is going to go on the shorter height one right here. Now we'll take our pieces here and we will just put them on top of here. Just like that. It does help to have 2 people, I can tell you that much. Okay, well there's one of them. We'll get the other one done now. Once you get that crossbar in it, they won't turn. It holds it a lot more stable. I'll put these on first. Okay, on your grow lights, you can put them on the bottom of the discs, boards that hold your plants, and it comes with a USB block that you can plug into an outlet, have a USB cord. Now it has your controller here. All right, right here is your on and off. It has a 3-hour, 9-hour, and a 12-hour timer. You just push that button to change your timer. You can rotate between the lights, whether they're on or off. You turn that one off, that one on, that one off. It just switches, and then you have them both on. And then it adds a plus and a minus for the brightness levels. Get pretty bright, real bright. You can just hold the brightness button down, and it will automatically go. You don't have to keep clicking it. And like I said, you can mount that on the bottom of the plates that holds your plants. Just shine down on the plant underneath it. So there you go. What do you think? They look really nice. Was not that difficult to put together. If you want the opposite, like I put the tall here and the tall here, you have to flip them, one of them, when you're putting it together. If you want them the same, but they would have put the tall here and the tall on the outside over here. So just do them opposite if you want to do it something like this. Customize it however you'd like. That makes it pretty nice where you can kind of customize it to kind of fit the way you want to set it up. But I like it like this. So this is what we went with. Like I said, it does have the grow lights you can mount underneath the boards here, and they will like shine on the plants below them. You could actually put something down here on the base. You might not be able to see the base because of the camera angle. Can't quite get that wide of a zoom, but anyhow, there it is. If you'd like to get some of these plant stands for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order your very own. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I'm giving a double thumbs up, one for each one. Hey, I am Amazon Associates. Any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.